Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is a 22 at about 190 yards, and the target is the yellow balloon behind the window pane we have hung up. The window is at approximately 90 yards, and we're going to shoot over the window and hit the balloon. Here goes nothing. Try again. Bullseye. Again, we shot over the window and hit the balloon. Just to see if we can do it again, we're going to shoot the red one. Got the red one. There it is, folks. Lobbing bullets over a window. Thank you. Have a good day.